Take command of the road in the 2013 Volvo XC60. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Volvo prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a power seat, a trip computer, automatic temperature control, a headlight cleaning system, and seat memory. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volvo ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.